My name is Minat Zapoda, and this is Priscilla Said. Today, we're going to give you a few pointers on how to incorporate office ergonomics at home. In this clip, Priscilla will show you how to use your keyboard correctly.
To know if your keyboard is appropriate for you, you want to take a look at what your wrists are doing. If you see any sort of bending like this, it means that your keyboard is too small for you. And some people might describe this as feeling crammed. What you want to see is a straight wrist, which is what we call neutral posture.
The main takeaway is to avoid any sort of bends in your wrist. And you could do this by making sure that when you purchase a keyboard, your wrists are straight. To learn more about ergonomics, reach out to us at ergotherapy.us or infinitebodyhealth.com. Thank you.